Welcome to another PLC programming tutorial video. In today's tutorial we will see how we can program a pneumatic cylinder pusher. Let's start today's tutorial. As you can see that this setup have a pusher operated by the pneumatic cylinder. This pusher is pushing 3 paint buckets towards the inspection machine conveyor. Let's see what our devices and sensors we are using in this setup. We have installed a proximity sensor to detect the paint bucket presence. This sensor is connected at a 0.0 PLC input. Next we have installed a reed switch on the cylinder body. This reed switch will be turned on once cylinder is in back or home position. This reed switch is connected at a 0.1 input of the PLC. Next we have another reed switch installed on the cylinder body. This reed switch will be turned on once cylinder is in forward position. This reed switch is connected at a 0.2 input of the PLC. Next we have a pusher cylinder, which is used to create a linear motion. This cylinder will be activated by the PLC output Q0.1.